how exactly can you add a chart into your document in Google Docs? Well, we'll be going through the process in this very video. So let's go over exactly how it works. The first thing you're going to do is click on Insert in this row of options at the very top, and then from the drop down you want to select Chart. There you will be given 4 different options for what kind of chart you want, and below you'll also see a From Sheets button as well. You can use it to import any existing chart you already have within a Google Sheets document already in your drive. If you add a brand new one from the 4 options that are available, you'll get a template that looks like this that you can then edit. But how exactly? Well, the first thing you're going to do is click on the chart itself and then click on these 3 dots that you see in the top right. And then you want to click on Open Source. This will bring up a new Google Sheets document that was just made that stores all the information for this chart that you just created. So as you can see, you'll get both the chart itself that's being imported, as well as all of the template data that controls what actually is in the chart itself. So at that point, you can add your very own data in that table. And if you want to change what the actual appearance of the chart is, simply just click into it and then click on the 3 dots in the top right. And next in this menu pops up, you want to click on Edit the Chart, which gives you all of the additional customization options. Now, what if you do have some kind of chart or graph, but it is in Excel instead, and you want to put it into a Google Doc? Well, don't worry, there's also a very easy way of doing that. The first thing you're going to do is actually upload and open your Excel spreadsheet in your Google Drive. The next step is to then convert it to the Google Sheets format. So what you want to do is click on File in the top left, and then from this drop down you want to select Save as Google Sheets. And now that the file was converted into Google Sheets, you can then use the previous method to import it from that file, and it's going to appear in your document. One very important thing to keep in mind is that all of this is only possible within the browser version of Google Docs and Google Sheets. You cannot add a chart like this if you're working in the mobile version of Google Docs. Sure, you can add some things like tables, for example, but charts, well, that you're going to have to do in the browser version. So hopefully you found this video on how exactly you can add charts and then customize them in Google Docs helpful. So if you did find it helpful, then maybe subscribe to How to Authority for more like this in the future.